Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have the right access, an API key with admin or policy edit rights, and a sandbox where mistakes won't break production. Once done, export the current configuration and save the original headers and policy files so you can restore them. Make sure to check rate limits and scopes because adjusting targets can alter usage. Begin by opening the policy editor for the target API and locating the block rule you intend to disable. Don't change anything yet. Now you modify the rule itself. Locate the exact block entry by path, method, IP range, or header match and comment it out or toggle its enabled flag. Once disabled, review any dependent header rewrites or rate limits that reference that rule. Update them to prevent leaks or unintended access. Validate your changes with a linter or dry run feature so syntax and references are correct. After validation, stage the change in the sandbox and run a controlled request to confirm behavior. Finish by deploying the change to staging and exercising the exact endpoints with targeted requests. Monitor logs for 4xx/5xx spikes and security alerts. Once stable, roll the update to production gradually. Use a canary or %-based release to limit exposure. If something goes wrong, revert immediately to the backup config, inspect logs for header mismatches or policy dependencies, and iterate on a fix in Sandbox. Make sure to communicate the change to stakeholders and document why.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.